Machine learning is a fascinating field that's transforming the way we interact with technology. At its core, machine learning is about teaching computers to learn from data. Imagine you're trying to teach a child how to recognize different animals. You show them pictures of cats and dogs, and over time, they start to understand the differences. That's similar to how machine learning works. Let's break it down. First, we gather data. This data can be anything from images and text to numbers and sounds. The more data we have, the better our machine can learn. For example, if we want to teach a computer to recognize cats, we need thousands of cat images. The computer analyzes these images, looking for patterns and features that distinguish cats from other animals. Next, we use algorithms, which are like recipes for learning. These algorithms process the data and help the machine identify patterns. One common algorithm is called a neural network, inspired by how our brains work. It consists of layers of interconnected nodes that process information. When we feed data into this network, it adjusts itself based on what it learns, improving its accuracy over time. Once the machine has learned from the data, we test its knowledge. This is where we see if it can accurately identify new images it hasn't seen before. If it gets it right, great. If not, we go back, tweak the algorithm, or provide more data until it improves. This process of trial and error is essential in machine learning. Now, let's talk about the different types of machine learning. There are three main categories: supervised, unsupervised, and reinforcement learning. In supervised learning, we provide the machine with labeled data. Think of it as giving it the answers up front. The machine learns to predict outcomes based on this labeled data. For instance, if we want it to identify spam emails, we show it examples of both spam and non-spam emails. Unsupervised learning, on the other hand, is like giving the machine a puzzle without showing it the picture on the box. It has to find patterns and group similar data on its own. This is useful for tasks like customer segmentation, where we want to understand different groups within our data without prior labels. Reinforcement learning is a bit different. Here, the machine learns by trial and error, much like training a pet. It receives feedback in the form of rewards or penalties based on its actions. This approach is often used in robotics and gaming, where the machine learns to navigate environments or play games by maximizing its rewards. Machine learning is already all around us. It powers recommendations on streaming services, helps with voice recognition in our smartphones, and even assists in medical diagnoses. The potential applications are endless, and as technology advances, so does the capability of machine learning. In summary, machine learning is about teaching machines to learn from data using algorithms to find patterns, and continuously improving through testing and feedback. It's a powerful tool that's reshaping industries and enhancing our daily lives. Understanding the basics of how it works can help demystify this incredible technology and open doors to new possibilities.